Hello guys, welcome back to Ux Intelligence. I'm going to teach you how to make Google Play Console account where you can upload apps and earn money. So let's go to first you have to search on Google Play Console. Here you see the first link. You have to click on this. Then you can see login or sign in with your Google account. And here you can see to get a start, choose an account. You can see an organization. We are going to create this account for ourselves, so you have to choose yourself and click on get started. Here they will ask what you will need to create a developer account for yourself. You can here like email address, then account number, then you have to continue. You can just type your name, like I'm going to type my name, like I'm going to write like here they will ask create a or a select payment profile. You have to create a new profile. Here you have to write your country name, as if I'm from India, so I will write India. The town and city, here state and zip code. You have to just save it. It will ask you to like continue. You have to ask, and here they will ask you developer email address. You have to like your important email address, like I'm going to write random names, this right, and you have to like verify this. Okay, and check your email address on your phone or your computer, then verify it, and then click on I consent on right behind Google showing, and then you have to click next, and they will ask like how you come here, your experience in Google Play Console. So I will write like this is my first time. Then they will ask like have you created any Google Play Console before? So you have to write no. Even if you did, they will ask that you had created any website. So I write no. Then next, they will ask how many apps you had wanted to make. So I will like, and this they are asking how you plan to earn money. So I will click yes. So how many tabs? So I will just subscription app in like everything. Write everything, or you can click on I don't know yet if you are confused. What type of they will ask like app category, which category you are making app. Like let's hope none of the above now. Here they will ask your personal contact name, your personal email account, and then your preferred language. After that you have to like your contact number, plus your country, which country you are from, and then you have to click next. So let me write my first name, and in the contact email you have to write the email you are logging into. Here just you have to confirm term and condition, and then like you have to go create account and pay. They will ask you for $25 one-time fee, just pay. And after that you will have to verify your identity by any legal document, government document. That's it. I'm not going to pay because I am broke right now. Let's end this video here right now. Bye bye.